Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today we've got something pretty cool to unbox. So if you're like me and you're always on a lookout for a good, reliable mouse, especially one that doesn't make ton of noises, then you're going to want to stick around because we're going to look at this A4Tech G7-81OS Air 2 silent click mouse. First things first, let's take a look at this box. Right out the bat, you can see the A4Tech. They've been around for ages making solid peripherals, so good, trustworthy company. This one specifically says G7-81OS Air 2. The S here stands for silent click, which is awesome. So no more annoying clicks driving you or the ones around you crazy. It's also a 2.4G wireless, which is pretty standard for most wireless mice these days. And check this Air 2 thing. Looks like it can do some kind of screen capture too, as it says on the box as well. So we'll definitely dive into that. Enough talking about the box. Let's get this thing open. I have the scissors here. Let me just go ahead and open it up real quick. So first of all, from this side, and then we're going to open it up from this side. Okay. Well, unboxing is always satisfying. Do you guys agree with me? Let me know in the comment section. So inside we got the mouse itself. Looks pretty sleek. I like the dark gray finish. Let's see what else is in here. We have the little USB receiver. This is what plugs into your computer, and I like that they also have provided us with a USB Type-C connector. So if I want to like connect it in my Mac, I can easily do that. And this one obviously is a normal USB Type A connector. And of course, how can I forget about the user manual? So yep, there's a user manual that comes inside the box as well, which I'll probably glance at for the super specific stuff. There are some QR codes, etc. in here as well. And they've even included a battery. That's always a nice touch, so you can use it right away in case you don't have a battery on you. First impressions, let's talk about that. It's got a nice ergonomic shape, pretty comfortable. Now for the buttons, we've got the standard left and right click, so it feels a little awkward right now because again, silent mouse, right? So I'm pretty used to this click sound. This one doesn't have it, right? They're super quiet, as I said. The scroll wheel feels nice and tactical, not too loose. Below the scroll wheel, there is also button. This is usually for changing your DPI, which basically means how fast your mouse cursor moves on screen. You can usually toggle through a few speeds. I'm pretty sure this one is for DPI. But I think this particular button is for screen captures or screenshots. On the side, we have two extra buttons. These are typically for going forward or backward in your browser. Super handy for everyday use. This screen capture button, they mentioned on the box, that's a dedicated shortcut that I was talking about earlier, which could be really useful for work or school. Looks like it takes one AA battery and it pops right in here. Pretty simple. Now let's talk about the coolest feature. Let me just first close it. Let's talk about the coolest feature, the Air 2 part. This isn't just a regular desk mouse. When you lift it up like this, it turns into something like a remote control for your computer. So imagine you're watching a movie or giving a presentation. So instead of reaching out for your keyboard or having to put the mouse back on the desk, you can simply pick this up and use gestures to control things. You can usually move it around in air to move your cursor just like that. And those side buttons or even movements can let you play or pause or adjust volume, skip tracks, all of that. It's perfect for when you're lounging on the couch or just want to control your media from a distance. I'm really keen to try this out properly. The screen capture button is another big plus. Instead of fitting out keyboard shortcuts, you just press the button and it should pop up options to snip a specific part of your screen, a window, or the whole thing. Super convenient for quickly grabbing info or sharing screenshots. So by the way, we're gonna test this out on the computer as well, and I'll show you that as well. But just my initial thought, I am pretty impressed. The silent clicks are a game changer for anyone who finds regular mouse clicks annoying. The ergonomic shape feels solid, and those extra features, the Air 2 function and the dedicated screen capture button, makes it stand out from a lot of other mice out there. I think this would be great for students, anyone working in an office, or even just at home if you want to use a quiet and versatile mouse. It always seems perfect if you use your computer for media consumption because of that air control features. I think I'd be using it pretty excessively. I'm going to now connect this to my computer, and I'll show you the process of that and how easy it is to connect, and then let's see how it functions. All right, so I've got the old mouse and the new mouse here. Let me just go ahead and quickly insert this battery, connect this to my computer right here, and then we're going to plug it in and use it. I'm gonna try it on this and this, and I'll see how it works on both of them, the feel. We're going to test it out in a moment. So let me just go ahead and insert the batteries and connect it. Okay, I've inserted the batteries now. Let me just go ahead and quickly turn it on. All right, so I've just turned it on, and you guys can see as I'm moving the mouse, it's moving the cursor. If I pick it up, what happens? I still have to try the air feature, but let's just try out some other features that we have in this mouse. So for example, this button, this is for the screen capture. So let me just go ahead and do that and see what happens. So you guys can see as soon as I clicked this button, it's now at the screen capture mode. And this button is to make the mouse pointer speed slow or fast. So you can see I press it once and the speed increases. So that's what that is for. I'm using it on this one, it feels good, but I'm going to use it on the proper mouse pad to see how it works there. All right, pretty awesome. Really like the feel of it so far. I think it's pretty amazing. These dots on the side, they help you. I have to work for hours on this computer, so I think this was much needed. Also have the keyboard, and I'll be making another video. So the keyboard and mouse set, I wanted a better mouse, so I purchased it separately, but that'll be the next video that will be on my channel, so do watch that one as well. So that's it, guys. What do you guys think? Have you used an A4Tech mouse before, or are you interested in a mouse with these kind of unique features? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech unboxings and review videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.